Hi guys, happy Friday. Mrs. Lindemeyer coming at you with your week 3 check-in. I can't even believe it. It's already week 3. I don't know about you guys, but this week kicked my butt. I am tired. I am ready for a nice weekend, and maybe my kids will let me sleep till 7 tomorrow. Yeah, wishful thinking. Anyways, so quick reminder about a couple things in your course, very quick. Zeros go in automatically, okay? So you really want to try and make sure that you have work in on time. I'm sure a couple of you have noticed that when you were seeing your grades, but as soon as I sync your grades over to Power Schools, if you are missing an assignment, it's already going to be in with a 0. Don't worry, okay? I will make sure I get that graded, but I also have, please remember, I got like 8 different classes and a ton of kids and multiple assignments being turned in by multiple kids in multiple classes. So you want to make sure that you are getting your work in on time. That being said, okay, you do have plenty of flexibility within your actual unit, but when the unit closes, as some of your units have closed, so like in Econ or even my Honors World History 1, your units closed this week, okay? So yours is closing next week, and World History 1 and 2, just make sure you are watching for my announcement, or you can look at your calendar. But your units will close, and when they close, you will have to come and see me in person to turn in that late work. You have plenty of time to get it in within the unit, and you have to start managing your time well. If you do not, then you're going to come and see me. We're going to talk about some time management tips, tips, tricks, and I'm telling you what, skills. We're going to kind of talk a little bit about the content and things like that. So please make sure you're watching for my announcements, for my availability, if you are one of those people that need to come and see me in person, okay? Please remember that you have until that end date to come and see me in person, and then I will no longer take any work from your first unit. So make sure you're paying attention. All right, that's it. I told you it was going to be quick today. I hope you have a really great weekend. I hope that you get some rest. I know I'm hoping I get some rest, because I'm like looking at myself going, eek, back up. Anyways, have a nice weekend, you guys, and I will see you later.